Welcome my viewers to the Magic Behind channel. This is the channel where we teach you about electronics components and how to use those components to make working circuits. In today's video, I want to show you how to make police car flashlights like the one which is flashing in front of you. Before we move ahead, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. On this circuit board, I have 60 right emitting diodes and I have two channels. Each channel has 30 LEDs. I have blue LEDs and red LEDs. Each channel has 30 LEDs. This is how it looks at the back. This is how I have arranged my right emitting diodes. I have first of all connected them in series, 3, 3, 3, 3 in series. And I have made sure that all the cathodes are on one side and all the anodes are on one side. This will make it easier for you to make the other connections. All the cathodes are connected as one. Starting from here, I have connected all the cathodes together, coming all the way down up to this terminal here. Then, for the anodes, because anodes are the ones which will go to the chaser output and is the one which is making the channel. For the blue, I have connected all the anodes for the blue, starting from here, coming down to the other side. All the anodes, I've connected them here. Then I've brought that terminal down up to this point. Then for the red LEDs, I've connected all the anodes together down up to this point. This will be channel 1 and channel 2. This is the chaser circuit. In my previous videos, I've shown you how to make 7 channels LED chaser. This is a 7 channels LED chaser, but I'm only using 2 channels. This channel here and this other channel. This is the common output terminal, which is this one. So this wire will be connected here. Then this channel 2 will come either here or here. And the channel 1 either here or here. This is channel 1, channel 2. You can connect them either of the 2 channels. My circuit here is not using a battery. I'm using a C to DC rectifier. In my previous videos, I've also shown you how to make a C to DC rectifier. I'll attach it to this video so that you can refer to it and learn how to make one. I now want to do the connections back. We test again, we see whether our circuit is working. I have now done the connections back. I put it to power. And as you can see, our circuit is well and working. You can increase the speed of flashing by tuning the variable resistor using a screwdriver. As you can see, it has slowed down. You can increase the speed. One caution I would like to give you is that never touch any part of this circuit with your bare hands when the power is on. It is dangerous. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also, share it with friends whom you think may be interested in this kind of stuff. On the comment section below, ask me any question. I'll be glad to interact with you and to answer your questions. And very important, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video if you have not yet done so. See you in the next video.